Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions smarter, easier, and a whole lot more fun. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a head-to-head battle between two titans, the ELEGOO Saturn 312K MSLA and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 comes in at a wallet-friendly $399. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a bit more bougie at $479. So if your wallet is feeling a bit light, the Saturn 3 might be your new best friend. But hey, maybe you're feeling fancy and want to splurge for those extra features. Either way, your bank account is going to have some opinions. Now, let's zoom in on those screens. The Saturn 3 boasts a 10-inch 12K mono LCD with a resolution so sharp it could probably cut through your existential dread. We're talking 11,520 by 5,120 pixels, folks. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M doesn't specifically brag about its screen resolution, but it does promise some smart printing features. Reviewers note that the Saturn 3 is excellent for producing high-quality, detailed prints, making it ideal for those who prioritize resolution. Conversely, the Adventurer 5M is praised for its ease of use and smart features, which make it a great option for users who prefer convenience over ultra-high resolution. Speed demons, this one's for you. The Saturn 3 can hit a blazing 70 millimeters per hour, which is pretty darn fast. But hold on to your extruders, because the Adventurer 5M's Core XY structure cranks it up to 600 millimeters per second. Reviewers have praised the Adventurer 5M for its impressive speed and accuracy, noting that it can deliver prints faster than many other models on the market. So if you're impatient and need your prints ASAP, the Adventurer 5M is calling your name. Size matters, or so they say. The Saturn 3 offers a larger printing volume at 218.88 millimeters by 122.88 millimeters by 250 millimeters. Perfect for those bigger, more ambitious projects. The Adventurer 5M doesn't flaunt its size as much, but it's got some nifty features like rapid nozzle changes and a dual-sided PEI platform. Reviewers have noted that the Saturn 3 is great for larger, high-quality prints, while the Adventurer 5M is appreciated for its versatility and ease of use. So if you're planning to print a life-sized bust of yourself, Saturn 3's got the space. But if you're more about versatility, the Adventurer 5M is your guy. Software and smart features. Because who doesn't love a bit of tech magic? The Saturn 3 comes with VoxelDance Tango slicing software and 3 different printing modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. Plus, it's compatible with a variety of slicing software. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M takes the cake with its mobile app FlashMaker, which lets you monitor and adjust prints from your phone. It's like having a personal 3D printing butler. Reviewers have praised the Adventurer 5M for its smart features and ease of use, making it ideal for those who want a seamless, tech-savvy experience. Last but definitely not least, let's talk after-sales service. ELEGOO promises to reply to your queries within 24 hours, which is pretty solid. But FLASHFORGE goes all out with a 1-month free return and exchange, lifetime technical support, and a 1-year warranty. Plus, they vow to respond within 12 hours. Reviewers have highlighted the exceptional customer service from FLASHFORGE, making it a reliable choice for those who value strong after-sales support. Overall, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 is highly praised for its high-resolution prints, ease of use, and solid performance, though there are occasional issues with customer support. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is lauded for its speed, smart features, and exceptional customer service, though some users find it a bit loud. Both printers have their strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. So, there you have it. The ELEGOO Saturn 3 and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, duking it out for your 3D printing love. Whether you're into high-resolution prints, blazing fast speeds, or smart features, we hope this showdown helps you make the right choice. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep printing smart and stay awesome.